How to send money from Revolut to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Revolut app, and after that you will be able to find the option of transfer at the bottom. Just simply click on it. Then at the top right hand side corner you will be able to find the new option, and in case if you have already added the contacts you would be able to see it, but let's see how we can do it from scratch. So for this, just simply click on the option of new at the top right hand side corner. After that, select the option of bank recipient. Now you need to enter the bank details. Enter every detail of your bank in order to add it. Now it will ask you on the next page that you need to enter your address. This way it will be able to add your address and details about you. And after that you will have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from Revolut to your bank account. And after typing the amount that you want to transfer, just simply click on next. Now just review your transaction and click on the option of send, and this way you would be able to send the money from your Revolut account to your bank account, and in 2 to 3 business days you would be able to see the amount in your bank account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.